Boeing 737 jet carrying 160 people aborts takeoff in Israel after pranksters use iPhone airdrop to send terrified passengers pictures of plane crashes, causing one woman to faint. Oh, guys.
Ryan was saying something about this story.
Yeah. I figure we could cover it to figure out what's going on.
No. I don't mean guys, you guys. I mean the guys that sent the airdrops.
Yeah.
People have trips planned and families and kids, and obviously they're not too concerned about that. The photos allegedly included a Turkish Airlines plane which crashed in 2009. 9 were removed and could be prosecuted for disseminating false information. A Boeing 737 plane aborted takeoff in Israel. 9 people on board used the iPhone airdrop function. 9 people. What a coordinated effort. All 9 of them are like, let's scare everybody.
Or they have 9 people that they suspect.
No, it says 9 people on board used the iPhone airdrop function to send photos of aviation disasters.
Oh, wow.
I don't know.
So is this an update? Because last time we talked about it, Ryan said that
they couldn't find it, the person. I thought that was the interesting part of about this story, that they couldn't track who dropped.
I thought it was like a bug or something.
Well, yeah. So the pictures included that Turkish Airlines crash that was in the Netherlands in 2009, and then another one in 2013. That's a photo of it. 9 suspects described by police as Israeli citizens, and among the passengers were removed and could be prosecuted. Oh. The offense carries a maximum 3-year prison term in Israel. I don't think that'll happen. I am sure the police and security authorities will find out why the suspects, did it. Passengers alarmed by the images informed the flight crew, and the pilot made the right call in heading back to the gate. Very disruptive. I mean, you can imagine being quite annoyed by that. I mean, even if the pictures that came through didn't bother you or didn't scare you to that extent, to have to turn the plane around, get the people off, not the greatest trip experience. Mo, you probably agree with that.
No, I definitely agree with that.
Yeah. One woman fainted, another had a panic attack. The plane took off hours late after a security check of the plane luggage. Like, they got to do everything. You make the one threat, then they got to do everything. How do you know which threat to treat
you have to
seriously and which one not to treat seriously? Mo?
You have to assume that you treat all seriously.
You got to treat them all seriously. I don't think the prank is worth it. I don't think it's worth it. I know youngsters get into things, though, don't they?
It's a little goof.
Sometimes you learn.